So this is part 2 of my video. We have a cup or some shirts on here. Over here, there's some more shirts. Yeah, we have some more. So this is part 2 of my video. So we have
Siyempre ka kung malaki ang DF noon. Dahil hindi naman siya pwede na magdala sa shop at wala na akong minamay. Ako'y nangini na nga.
Wait a second.
Bahala siya. Marami siyang kwarta.
See, look. Eagle. See? We have 50 gulls. So this is my end of our video. Bye bye guys.